Walk your doggy. Go walk your doggy.
Ooh, he wants to eat the trash.
Well, walk your dog. Wait till he starts walking it. Take your string and walk your doggy. Come on. Oh, go to the front door and show your doggy the front door.
Go see if... Get the dog.
Get the dog. Walk him to the front door, Christopher. You gonna walk him outside? You want to take the doggy outside? You love that doggy, don't you, Christopher? Can you kiss the doggy? Can you give him a kiss? Oh.
That's so sweet.
That's a very sweet boy. That's a very sweet little boy. What's your doggy's name, Christopher? What's your doggy's name? What's his name? What's his name going to be?
You like that dog?
So sweet. Oh, Mary's a beautiful name. You really know how to color her, don't you? And blue. He's beautiful. These are nice friends of Grandma's. It's actually Grandma's dog and his wife, and they are called Mr. and Mrs. McLaughlin, and they have 7 children. 7 wonderful, very nice children.
Ooh, that had to have hurt.
They have the oldest girl's named Mary, and then they have one